Hello, class! Let's look at these numbers. We need to sort them from left to right. Our scan starts right here. Perfect! We are ready to sort.
To sort these numbers, we first need to find the smallest one, is the minimum. But look, as we move along, 3 is the minimum. And finally, we swun. Let's use selection sort. First, we find the smallest number and swap it with the first. Now, 1 is successfully sorted.
Let's sort these selection sort. 1 is already in the smallest spot. We start at 3 and look smaller. We check 9, 7, and 5. So 3 stays as our current minimum.
Selection sort keeps doing this. Search the unsorted part for the smallest number. Put that smallest number into the next position on the sorted side. In the end, all numbers are arranged. Code Academy +3.